Dear friends, it is a time for each one of us to work towards humanity, helping oneself, helping others, bringing a change in our life and making others' life better too. Very, very important. If you take care of yourself properly, you are helping minimum 1,000 people. You are helping your family, you are helping your community. Government can reduce or relax itself. Doctors, one person's work reduced, doctors are more comfortable. Healthcare system can be more better. And if you are taking care of yourself, you are helping somebody else to get their bed. So taking care of yourself is very, very important. Each one of us, when we take the responsibility, we can make this life better instead of complaining about oxygen supply is less or medicines are not there, hospitals are overcrowded. Who is making it overcrowded? We ourselves are making it overcrowded. Don't expect anybody else to do anything for you. It is up to us. How do we breathe? How do we protect ourselves? How do we make our life better? I request you all, please share this message with all. Please make a commitment to meditate every day, morning and evening, for next 1 minute, 1 month. Whether you are positive, you are negative, or you are recovered, or you are in a very difficult or critical situation, doesn't matter. Your concept of your well-being can transform your life better. Make a commitment to bring a transformation within yourself. Commitment for yourself. It is like when the medicine is given, your body should respond towards it, recover by using the medication. We are working towards the prevention so that the universe is providing all the medications and our brain is the best medical factory. It has all the medicines within and oxygen supply is all the time available to us. Let us invest our time on utilizing this system better. So make a commitment to regularly practice these techniques. Share this message. Prevention, let us work more so that immediate changes can happen in the external world. Okay? It is your commitment. Bring at least change in 10 people, 100 people. The life will become better for everyone. Okay? Let us, with a short prayer. Join your hands at heart. Deeply inhale and exhale. Just deep inhalation and exhalation. Remember the God, whatever the forms, whatever the names, whatever the way you pray, you become aware. Feel your connection with the universe, feel your connection with the divine source. Deep inhalation and exhalation. You are ready to seek the universal blessings. You are ready to allow the divine energy, the positive blessings to enter to you, allowing you to get healed within. Mentally repeat after me. To the Supreme God, the Divine Father, Divine Mother, all the great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, Holy Angels, Spiritual Helpers, Guruji, Grandmaster Chowa Foxley. We also invoke the divine blessings of Ashwini Devatas and Lord Dhanvantari and all the healing angels. We humbly invoke your great blessings, guidance, help and protection. For good health, for happiness, long life, progress, success, prosperity and spirituality. With inner strength and inner clarity, inner guidance and protection. We thank you. We happily, gratefully invoke for the divine blessings. Deeply inhale and exhale. As you are invoking, as you are asking the blessings, allow your body and mind to open up and receive the blessings. Make sure you feel the divine blessings passing through you. Allow it to flow through you. So whatever the stress accumulated in your body and mind, let us release it with the simple physical exercises. Whatever is possible, you do it. If you are healthy, energetic, just stand up and do this. If you are not able to get up and do, then do this much at least. If your mind is stressed with full of fear and anxieties, it will have a lot of kind of rigidity, stiffness. By doing exercise, you feel better. Just move your head backward and forward. Just relax. You can see a lot of tightness, stress getting released. Just do this comfortably, how much ever possible. Try to do it happily. Add breathing to this so that it is relaxed. Just it is also like looking at the life around, not just small. Look around, say smile, happy, look up, around, go around. Expand yourself. Very good. So, relaxing your neck and head is very important because you tend to feel the stress here. Next, the shoulder. We feel so much of stress on our shoulder. First, we are learning to do simple exercises so that you feel relieved and your blessings, whatever the received blessings, can get inside. Okay? Move your hands slowly. Release all the stress from your shoulder and hand. With the sound, you can release. Ha! Just throw out all your stress from your chest, from your heart, from your guts, from your whole being. Just throw out with the intention of, instead of shouting at somebody, you are releasing it here. Ha! 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 Throw it out. Do it a few more times. Please do it loudly. Do it loudly. Do it. Exhalation is very important. We must learn to throw out now because we have accumulated so much. Including virus, we have to throw it out. Do it again. You should feel lightness here. Relax here. Ha! 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 So that you feel relieved, you feel let go. Do it again and again. Do it for yourself. Don't do it because I tell you to do it. You might have heard a lot of information. This session is for practicing. This is like a self-healing, self-medication. You are providing medicine to yourself, recovery, support to yourself. It is a self-commitment. You are not going to prove anybody is wrong. You are going to prove what you are doing is very important and it is helping yourself. That is the difference here. Okay? Then slightly stretch your like this around. Do it. Just relax. So this chest area will open up. The heaviness will be relieved. You feel, the exhalation becomes more comfortable. Do it again. Stretch. Stretch up to the hip. You should stretch. Relax. Relax. If you can stand up and do it, nothing like that. Now, I am showing more exercise for your lungs also. Open up yourself, open up your lungs, then exhale. Open up, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhalation should be focused. Throw it out. While inhaling, you feel lot of light is coming. While exhaling, all disease, virus, infection, phlegm, whatever you have within, just exhaling. Or the stress, accumulated anxiety, everything you are releasing. Do it again. You should feel, expansion and do you feel the difference? How much ever possible you do. Make sure you put in little extra effort so that you feel relieved. The more and more you relieve yourself, natural flow of oxygen, natural flow of healing comes to you. When you give a space for the peace, place for relaxation, place for calmness, by releasing your stress, your recovery will be much faster. Dear friends, I am sharing this experience because even with the ICU patients, we have tried this, it works. Instantaneously, in one of the case, patient was lying down helplessly. At the end of the session, patient was able to sit and participate. Your mind has so much of influence. Think positively. Universe is ready to provide everything. Ask the universe to provide you with good health, courage to your mind, strength to your mind, positive approach to your mind. Welcome it. It is available. What we take is our choice. Please do not become panic. Think positively. Enhance your healing power so that your recovery becomes faster. We are not asking you to reject the medication. We are not saying that. Whatever the treatment you are taking, add this so that your body can utilize that medication or support or any extended support can be utilized yourself. You are the one who is going to receive it and utilize that support. Increase your inner power. Increase your inner healing power. Increase your self-healing power so that your recovery is faster. By positive thinking, positive emotions, positive practices, positive breathing pattern with simple physical exercise and your effort. Okay? So this is about simple exercise. Similarly, you can do the exercise for your legs also. Just up and down your feet. The foot can be exercised properly. Just stretch, relax, rotate. When you do exercise, the accumulated stress can be released. Now we should allow our body to get into normal healing pattern. That is the most important thing. We are releasing all the stress, whatever we have given to our body. Okay, please exercise. Now, after the exercise, we are tightening and loosening the body. When it is like, what is tightening and loosening? As I inhale, I am tightening my hand. It's tight. I'm holding as much as possible. Then relaxing. What happens when I tighten the hands, wrist? Only required service is provided. All other stress and other things are released. So when I tighten, the blood supply reduces. Then the body gets into emergency service kind of thing. It releases kind of stress. You can experience that. Release all your stress accumulated. You may experience that the body pain, tightness, heaviness, rigidity, difficulty in moving, whatever it is. Are you ready? Okay. I show symbolically. The moment I tighten my hands, it means you are tightening your entire body. Head to toe, including your face, your neck, your chest, your abdomen, your thighs, your knees, and calf muscles and feet. Your shoulder, your hands, everything will be tight. Then you will relax it. Okay? Now sit comfortably, sit straight. Inhale. Hold your breath. Tighten your body. Tight. Hold your breath. Tighten your body. Hold as much as possible. Exhale and relax. Throw out your breath so that you relax your body instantaneously. As you throw out your breath, automatically your inhalation happens. Let us do it again. Inhale, hold. Inhale, hold your breath. Tighten your body. Tight. Hold. Exhale and throw. Okay. Next, one more time. Inhale. Hold your breath. Tight. Exhale and throw. Now you do it by yourself. Enjoy your exercise. Wherever you have pain, you have discomfort. Inhale, hold, tighten your body, then exhale. Enjoy your breathing. Enjoy your stress relieving process. Feel the freedom. Love yourself. Respect yourself. You deserve good health. The God is giving you the good health. Universe is giving you the good health. Welcome it from the universe. You deserve it. You are eligible for it. You are entitled for it. Very happily receive. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Give a big applause. Congratulate yourself. Hey, you have done a good job. Excellent. Keep it up. Appreciate yourself. Console. Very good. Tell your name and say, in my case, Saraswati, you're good. Good. Keep it up. Tell yourself. Appreciate yourself. Well done. Keep it up. Help yourself. Help others. Say, I'm a good person. Okay. We learned physical exercise. We learned tightening and loosening. Now we will do little simple pranayama. It's not even a pranayama. We are emphasizing more on exhalation. Inhale. Oof. Expel. Totally expel. As you are exhaling, release all your stress, virus, tension, anger, irritation, whatever you have, you just pour it. Okay? Inhale. Oof. From your mouth. Some of you may be feeling yawning. Started feeling some difference within you. Appreciate it. The whole body feels relieved. Kind of relaxation here. Your gut becomes better. Your shoulder becomes lighter. Your spine, the back will be much, much better. Your feet and legs will be better. Do it 2-3 times. Now your body starts responding to us. Naturally, you start yawning and it's filling. Very good. Now practice deep breathing. There is a lot of difference within you. Calmness within you. Feeling better? A simple pranayama can help a lot. In case if you know Vastrika, you can do Nadi Shodha, you know. In case if you have heaviness in breathing, Ulta side, you just lie down like this, then the pressure will be on your stomach. Then exhale. It is much supportive. You can also put a pillow and then exhale. It becomes, say, natural response time. Okay? So make yourself, you are ready for the universal blessings. Now the last one is about self-healing. White light, healing with white light. Okay, shall we practice? Now, in general, we know in every religion there is a kind of blessings. The Lord's hand is shown and the blessings comes. We know that some divine blessings are coming from top and we are taking it. Now we will use the positive visualization so that let us take the advantage of our belief, our tradition, our religion, whatever it is given. Let us take the advantage instead of questioning and doubting about it. Let us feel. Okay, let me take it. Before that, positive affirmation is equally important. I tell you, when you repeatedly tell yourself, I am healthy, I am very happy, I am enjoying every moment of life. It makes a lot of difference. Tell yourself, I am very happy. Tell yourself 2-3 times. Make your mind believe. I am healthy. Tell yourself, make mind believe it. What I am right now is not important. I am going to be healthy. Tell yourself, I am healthy. I am healthy. I am healthy. Bring that happiness and health into yourself. Make an affirmation, make a decision. I am healthy. It's my birthright. I'm healthy because of choice. Sorry, it got disconnected. Okay. There is lot of downpour of, I was showing about God's hand above your head, or the visualize the ball of light above your head, or the divine blessings are directly coming to you. A white light. The blessings are coming in the form of white light. Just feel and visualize this is coming down, down, down. Very happily. Oh God, thank you for your priceless blessings. Thank you for blessing me with good health. Inhale, feel good health. Thank you for blessing me with happiness. Just smile at your heart and say happy. Thank you for blessing me and my family with good health, long life. Feel happy. Visualize the divine blessings are coming down. Divine blessings are very, very powerful. You know, they can get inside your head. It can go inside, it can go around. It has no boundaries. Skin or muscles are not the boundaries. It can go within, going inside your skin, inside your scalp, inside your muscles, inside wherever, going every cell, inside the cell. Inhale and exhale, visualize lot of divine blessings are filled in your head, in your brain. The required medicines are produced in your brain to make your body totally healthy and strong. Your brain is actively working to make your body healthier, stronger, and energetic. Allow the divine blessings to come on your face. It's very happy, it is very shining, very beautiful, energetic, cheerful. Allow the divine blessings to go to your ears, your neck, your throat. Feel lot of divine blessings. That white light is getting filled in your throat. You know, the entire throat, the entire airways and food pipe is filled with bright, bright light. It's healing you. If there is any discomfort or any infection, any virus, it's getting healed. It's becoming better, healthier, stronger. Smile. Smile at your throat. It's becoming better, healthier and stronger. Allow the divine light to go down to your lungs. Your entire chest area is filled with bright, bright light. The best ever medicine is healing. That is, the divine blessings is healing you. It is making your system much more healthier, stronger and powerful. In case if you are taking any medication, it is making that medicine to work better for you. It is recovering the whole system, making it healthier. Allow the divine blessings to pass through your hands. Feel it is very healthy and strong. Allow the divine blessings to be filled in your spine, your back. Just smile, feel the difference. Feel it is filled with divine blessings, white light. Your abdomen area, digestive system, reproductive system. Just smile, feel the difference. It's getting healed, becoming stronger, healthier, powerful, energetic. Divine blessings passing through your thighs, your knees, your calf muscles and your feet. Just smile and say thank you. Your legs are becoming stronger, healthier, energetic, powerful. Fill yourself with lot of divine blessings. Love yourself. I love myself. I love my life. I am eligible and entitled for good life, good health. I am totally healthy and strong. Feel the blessings. Now let us share these blessings. There is so much of blessings. This blessings, let's visualize the entire globe. Whomever you think of, all your relatives, your friends, associates, or the news channel, whatever you see, wherever you see the suffering, share these blessings with them. God, please heal them, help them, bless them, guide them, make them recover very fast. Whatever the help required for them, support that help where and then and there, whoever is required. Share the blessings with them. Let us wish and pray for speedy recovery of everyone. Also, the healthcare system is becoming stronger. They are filled with more strength, courage, and equipped. Whoever is working as warriors, support the system, let them all be empowered. Sarvepi sukhinas santu, sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. May every person, every being be blessed with good health, happiness, long life, divine protection, speedy recovery. The people who are all asymptomatic recover very, very fast. Or not got infected, let them all get the eligibility and entitlement and wisdom to protect themselves. The people who have recovered become much more responsible, help others, donate plasma for the others' recovery. Blessings be to all. Bless all the patients who are recovering in the hospitals, going through the therapy, going through the treatments. Let them all get the divine strength to recover very fast. Bless all healthcare professionals, all the human beings, all our fellow brothers and sisters across the world. Bless them. You can chant any mantra, whatever you like. In my case, I love to chant Om. Whatever you are, according to your religion, your belief, you can chant. Om chanting can enhance the inner healing much more powerful. Let us chant Om 3 times. Om. Feel and visualize your body is getting filled with lot of divine light, love and blessings. Om. Your home, your surroundings, your entire area is getting filled with the divine blessings, divine healing energy. The entire globe is getting filled with the divine healing energy. May all be healed, may all be happy. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Feel the difference within you. Be thankful, express your deepest gratitude for all the transformation, mentally, emotionally, physically. Be thankful for all the positive vibrations. Let us share these positive vibrations across the world. Let us offer thanksgiving prayer to the Supreme God, the Divine Father, Divine Mother, Sadguruji, Grandmaster Choba Kukshi, all the great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, Holy Angels, Spiritual Helpers, Lord Dhanvantari and Ashwini Devatas, we thank you for your priceless blessings, guidance, help and protection. We thank you. Deeply inhale and exhale, mentally say thanks to God. Thanks to this entire team who helped you to get this positive vibrations. Be thankful to Unnati for providing this opportunity for all of us to get healed. Thank you. Slowly open your eyes. Dear friends, please take care of yourself. Again, repeating the same words. If you take care of yourself, you are helping thousands of people. Please spread this. Every day we have this practice. Morning and evening, practice twice, so that your mind becomes more strong, clear and focused. This is open to all. Welcome others also. Making somebody's life better, making somebody's mind better is a great support to the humanity. So repeated support can bring a change in anybody's. Take care of yourself. Namaste. And Unnati Healing Foundation is available to you. You can contact us for personalized healing, personalized support, counseling. You want to talk to a healer, you want a personal guided meditation, healing support, you please come back and contact. Okay, that will be paid part of it. This is free and open to all. Please make sure that you also spread this word and help people to get this support. Namaste.